is Rohit. I'm automation lead engineer. We are from Frugalhacks Private Limited. We provide automation solutions based on the customer requirement. We do assembly lines, weld lines, complete automations where we can integrate with electrical, mechanical, with robotics. Based on the customer requirement, we provide complete design to commissioning of the projects. We are located in Hyderabad in Gandhimaisama. You can visit our factory. You can give us. We can. You can give us what are the requirements based on your production. Yeah, thank you.